see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good girl.
Do is
Open your mouth. Quick, good girl.
Where's that teddy bear? Ready? One,
Look at the teddy bear.
three.
Look at the teddy bear.
Who's singing?
That's all right, Lopsy. That's all right. Done now. Finish.
Done.
Oh, it's alright, Baba. Baba.
Finish, Baba.
Sorry. It's alright, Baba. It's alright, Baba.
Come here. It's all right. It's all right. It's all done now, Baba.
It's alright.
Yeah,
What
all
is
done.
the mommy? What is the
Don't
Baba?
touch it. Don't touch it.
Don't
Leave
touch
it.
it. Where, baby? Where? Baby, mommy. Where, Baba? Where? Show mommy. Show mommy. Where? Oh, it's alright. Okay. You want a lolly?
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, thank you. What you gonna say? That's it. Da. What you gonna say? Da. Good girl. Okay, magic. Finish. Hi guys, good afternoon. Ayan, sinabi ni Sak, on the way kami dito sa GP namin kasi magpapa-vaccine kami for our holiday. Kasi alis kami out of the country. Say hi! Hi, so today yung schedule namin, lahat kami magpapa-vaccine. Kids, tsaka kami mag-asawa kasi kailangan yung typhoid na vaccine sa aming mag-asawa at tsaka sa kids as well. Tsaka yung sa HEPA for the kids. And si Holly magpapa-vaccine siya ng meningococcal. How you pronounce it, Beth? Meningococcal. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yun kasi masyadong delikado dito ngayon kasi parang high risk siya na pwedeng mamatay ang bata pag nadapuan siyang ganun. So magpapabaksin si Holly. Yung kids, yung dalawa,
You're going first.
hindi naman sila high risk. Pero yung mga baby, high risk sila sa meningococcal. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. I-type ko na lang siya. So yan, we're here. Ito yung aming mga forms for our vaccine.
Your needle here.
So, dalawa lang vaccine ang kukunin namin.
Come on, let's go to the needle.
Oh, excited na. Parang siyang excited siya sa needle.
In your wallet.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. Next.
No, I'm not next. Thank you. Who's gonna go first? Are you gonna cry? How about you, Kuya?
Oh my God.
Iniwan ikaw niya. Unang-una. Are you ready, Zach?
Sit here.
Parang excited ka sa...
We got Zach. So we got Zach's book.
Are you gonna cry, Zach? Zach?
That's it. Did it?
Dad, you don't know.
Hawak kasi yung tingnan natin. Yes, Mama, look at Kuya Saki. Watch Holly na. You don't have to look.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yes, you're gonna close your eyes.
Close yours. Let's see the
His big smile. Oh, face
Now just relax.
Just relax.
Yeah. Oh, you want You just look at Mum, mate.
Oh, he's got his
She's
eyes shut.
smiling.
Right, can you count?
Count
Go.
5. Ready?
One.
Go.
2,
So
3,
done. That's all right. That's it.
4,
That's it, mate.
5,
Easy.
6,
See?
7. Finished.
Wow! That's it? Is it pain, Zach?
Hey, brave boy.
That's
You're
it.
brave.
That's the band-aid.
Mas takot ko ako. Oh my
Is the
goodness.
needle still in there, Dad? When's the needle coming out?
Is it, how is it? Good? Kuya, how are you, Kuya?
These are
Yeah,
fine.
is this
Thyroid.
Parang akong iiyak eh.
Yeah, think about that.
So hepa and typhoid.
Alis dyan, Kuya, sa...
Alright. So they need another hepa in 6 months.
They do.
Yep, and typhoid are getting 3 years if they going overseas again.
Yeah, well,
Try and relax that arm a bit. Can you count 2?
relax.
1,
It's all right.
2,
It's all done.
3,
See? That's right. Finished.
4, 5,
That's
6,
right. Done.
7.
See?
Finished.
Oh no.
So 6.
I'm scared.
Don't be so tired. You're so brave.
You
boys. I
are
can't even
brave,
see where that
Kuya.
was, but we'll give you
But-
a
It's all right, mate. All
It's
done.
all
Has
right.
she had Panadol today?
Yeah.
Be one. Yeah.
Come, Daddy.
Oh.
Good luck, Holly.
She did so good last week though, didn't she?
Yeah, yeah, she was
Yeah.
good.
You got
She
lots
did
of
really
us.
good
When
last
she's
week.
saying the lollipop, she's
Yeah,
stopped.
that's
Yeah,
right.
you
She
got-
did.
where's
She
the
got a
lollipop?
I was going to say maybe we should. Oh, go and get
Yeah,
it.
because she was like this.
Yes.
She's not lollies.
Oh, not yet, not yet. Wait, nakita niyo yung lollies.
Just wait. You do this
Just
first and
wait.
you have a lollipop.
Hold on, Anne. Where's them lollipops? What colours do you
Hang
like?
on, Bubs.
1, 2,
Wait, Bubba.
3.
It's all right. Get a lollipop. It's all right. Get a lollipop. Oh, little girl.
She's a baby. She's old.
Don't
Wait,
Steve. Look, get a lollipop now.
Go get lollipop. That's. Ooh,
wow.
wow.
Good girl.
Done.
Well done, kids. Look at Holly. She forget.
That's all right. Here, Bub. Here, Bub.
It's all the same, Kuya. Thank you. What you gonna say, guys? DJ, what you gonna say to the nurse? Thank
Yeah,
you.
a little bit.
How was it? How was it? Look at them. Like nothing happened today, Bev.
You gonna lay it down, Zach? A little. It just stings a little bit, but it's only for like
Mommy's
3
next.
seconds. 1, 2, 3, finished. Not sick. It'll hurt more than that.
That's right. That's why
So
we
now
have to
you've got
get
all your
enough
needles and that. You can if you
Feel
can't catch
better.
it because you've had the
immunization
needles
Yeah.
to fight the disease you catch.
to fight that bacteria.
See?
Yes.
Little bit.
What's that, huh? That?
You'll be right.
Is it hurt?
Don't catch it.
What's
Oh,
wrong, Bobo?
come here, Daddy,
It's-
kiss
Oh,
Bev,
halik
come
ni
here.
Daddy yan. Halik ni Daddy.
It's
Halik
all
ni-
right. Eat
It's
your lollipop.
alright. Eat your lolly. Good girl.
It's okay.
You wanna bite? Good girl.
That's nice.
I'm gonna tutu, kuya. Si John parang para siyang devil kasi tawang-tawa siya kasi hindi siya kasi mayroon na siya lahat. Ako wala. May hepa B ako pero wala akong hepa E. I am scared. No lolly, so I'm not
You
gonna
said that
go.
last time you had it hurt a little bit.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Mom,
It's all
she
right.
cried a little bit.
Oh, no,
Just
kuya.
watch your
so-
arms. Just leave it.
I watched Charlie when she got a needle.
Just relax, bro. So that didn't hurt. See? You're thinking about it. You should be thinking about something else.
She wants to see her face, do you? Expression. Ow.
That one is.
Bit sticky. Yeah.
Oh, it's alright. It's not too much.
Oh shit! No, how did it?
That's right.
Mine did not hurt.
Mine, it's, guys, sa akin, sobrang masakit yung sa akin kasi kinumban yung hepa A tsaka hepa B. Yung, it's really, I'm serious, Beb. This
Look at the
one,
kids, they've had them both.
I'm serious, Beb. Totoo, guys. Hindi ako nag-aarte-arte.
I'll tell you.
Narinig niyo siya. Magluto pa raw ako ng dinner. Siya, kukuha, mayroon din siya, typhoid. Kasi expired na yung sa kanya. Akala niya wala siya. Masakit, matamlay na masakit yung etong left side. Yung right side, okay lang siya. Eto hindi.
Happens and you got proof of what you've had.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, well, thanks so
So
much.
I've had this and I've had that. And I don't
Say good luck, Dad.
You gotta let them out.
I just should get a lollipop. Look.
Yeah, ask them. It's alright, Kuya. Don't touch my arms, Kuya.
Play eye.
That's tough. Oh, you boys were tough too. You were all toughies. Okay, stings a
So
bit.
why
Yeah.
are you there?
It'll get better, yeah.
Baby. Are you a baby? Oh, careful. It's alright, Kuya. Honey.
Burger, please, in the middle.
A large one.
Large, please.
With a
What?
Coke?
Fanta.
Yes.
Sprite.
Fanta.
Yeah, Fanta for the drink.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Yes. Can I?
Ayan. Yan na yung toys. Oo. Grabe, kuya.
Oh, Easter.
No, how about Holly, Baba? Share with Holly.
Hey, look.
Drive-thru sa McDonald's for dinner tonight kasi nga may injection tayo, hindi tayo makapagluto. Charot. Good
Do you want
excuse.
barbecue sauce, Zach?
You want barbecue sauce, Zach?
I want barbecue sauce. That I want.
Did she put the sauce?
Wagyu beef. What are you having, babe? Diet pa more. Ano ang diet, babe? Oh, sarap. Kain muna tayo. So, on the way home na kami, guys. Tapos, yung vaccine. How was the vaccine, Zach? How was your vaccine? How's your injection?
Oh, hurt. Maybe not hurt. Maybe not hurt.
Maybe na. They done well. Ako masakit yung sa akin dito kasi Hepa A, Hepa B pinagsabay sa isang injection or syringe and dito isang thyroid. So ito medyo numb siya, masakit siya. And next month, can I talk first, boys? Next month kami ni Holly babalik ulit kami. Kasi I need to get another Hepa A, Hepa B, then flu vax, and yeah, kami ni si Holly, for 8 weeks pala si Holly. Ako lang pala ang babalik next month. Si Holly, magkakaroon ulit siya ng vaccine na meningococcal. I don't know how to pronounce that, guys. Then after 6 months, balik ulit kami lahat for another vaccination. So yun, yeah. That's it for today, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Say see ya!
See ya. See ya.
See ya! It's Holly. Where's Holly? Sleeping.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause